Welcome to the next part of the project. So this is video number 2 and this is your section number 2 of the project. So now we are going to understand validations. What are the validations needed for each and every field in our project? So when you read this file line by line, these are the validations you have to perform. So entry ID being non-negative integer, okay, should not repeat in a single file. Customer ID is non-negative integer. There is no validation on it. Customer first name, text only, 30 characters, no special characters. Customer last name, same thing. Then channel number, it has ranged from 100 to 1500, again non-negative integer. Start watch time, it has to be 0000 to 2359. But you have to also understand that the first two digits 0 to 23 are basically hours, and the second two one is 00 to 59, basically minutes. So you cannot have 2470. That is impossible for any time value, correct? So that's what it is. Then you have end watch time. So end watch time will be again 00 to 2359. The only difference will be end time should be greater than start time. You have to really make sure that when person is crossing the timeline of a day, let's say I start at 11 in the night and I watch till 1 in the morning, then how that comparison will be, that you have to make sure. Okay, and finally you have customer. So customer age has a age validation of non-negative integer from 15 to 121. As I said earlier, we are not tracking people who are lesser age, who are having lesser age than 15. Okay. Now what you have to do is, if these validation rules are missing somewhere, so if one of the row has the error, validation error, what you have to do is you have to consolidate, you have to create a list of those error rows, okay, and create an invalid data list. Okay. Now data in this particular list will be in CSV format again. Okay. So CSV formatted data in an invalid data list, and this particular CSV object in a form of text, okay, or a string. So in string, you have to send this string text message to SEDAP manual analysis queue. So this is an ActiveMQ queue. You have to write a code to send a message to SEDAP manual analysis queue. Okay. So this is your video number 2. This is your activity number 2. Please complete that as soon as you complete number 1. Good with that, and I will tell you the next activity after completion of this video. So thanks a lot everyone. Have a good one.